So here we go with another real-world ratio problem, before and after type problem, and this is page 147. So make sure you're looking at that page, and it says, number 5, Claire keeps some green and red plates in a cabinet. The ratio of the number of green plates to the number of red plates is 2 to 1. She adds 18 more red plates in the cabinet, and the ratio becomes 4 to 5. So you can see we have a model here of green plates to red plates at 2 to 1. And we add in 18 more red plates, and the ratio becomes 4 to 5. So we're only adding plates here to the red plates. The green plates is the same number of plates before and after, only the ratio goes from 2 to 4. Well, how do we go from 2 to 4? We multiply by 2, right? So let's multiply these green plate units by 2 to make 4 of them. And if we're going to multiply the green by 2, we've got to multiply the red by 2 also and get 2 units there. Now, it says after the plates are added in, it becomes 4, which is here is 4, to 5. But right now it's 4 to 2. So I need to add in 3 more units. That's not a very good drawing. Wait, 1, 2, 3. It's not to scale there, but I put in 3 more units to make 5. Now, by adding in those 3 units, we added in 18 red plates. So these 18 red correspond to these 3 added in units to the ratio. And to figure out what each one of these is worth, we simply, again, just divide that 18 by 3, which means each unit is 6. So how many red plates does she have now? Red is equal to 6 times 5, or 30 plates. How about green? Green is equal to 6 times 4 units, which is equal to 24 plates. And there you have it. That answers A, and that answers B.